Odcinek specjalny. Isn't it a nice chilly day today? I'm so excited to have a big surprise on my feet. Like, this is the best thing. A swimming pool under the back, summers and cages. I want to get down the donkeys. Everything was out of control. I got a swimming pool. It's time to swim. It's such a cool day. I can't wait to get off. I'm so excited to get a big nap because it is night time. So excited to get down and I have a big nap because it is night time. Come on, son. My son is a policeman. I'm going to be a policeman when I'm going to be grown up, so let's go home. Don't go to the swimming pool when you're going to bed. That's awful. The doors don't work, so let's go around the house. Okay, Dad, I'm coming now. I'm right there and you come after in a second. Okay, Dad, I'm coming in a second. Okay, now you can come, son. Okay, Dad. Okay, Dad. It's so hard to put this door on. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. It is door. It is a bit tricky to do it, so I'll block the doors so no one gets in and gets out. Now let's go home. Let's go to bed. I'm going to bed now. Let's go to sleep. Yay! Night then. Son, I will just put the windows off. If it is night time, gotta put the shutters off. There, the shutters are off. Now it's time to go to sleep. Good night, son. I bet, good night, son. I bet it's tomorrow will be a good day. So, goodbye. Good night. Good night. The morning. Son, it's time to school. The school bus. Don't be late. The school bus is coming. Morning, Dad. I don't want to go to sleep. I'm Tad. What Tad? Tad the Merchant. I like his. No time thinking about YouTubers. It's time to get dressed. So get to the toilet and dress up. Go to the toilet and dress up as a normal student, not as a policeman. Fine, Dad. Ready? I can't open the doors. It's so big. Now, the school bus will come in a second, so if you can, get down and dress up. I'll come back. Eat breakfast. Eat breakfast. The breakfast table is... Wait, where's the breakfast table? Yeah. Here. Sit down. We'll watch some TV. Put the show on. Can I put the show on? Yay! I love those. Look, a rabbit, a squirrel. Look, so cute. Yeah, it is. Yeah, I want to have those. One of those. I want to have a pet. A pet? Oh, come on, son. It is so hard. Oh, wait. Breaking. There's a fire. Whoa. Fine, James. My son is called James. Fine, James. Come. I just unlocked doors. Unlock the shutters. Now come outside because the bus will don't be late. Bye-bye, son. Have a great day. You too, Dad. I thought Sunny is waiting. The bus extra day. The bus is driving like silly, Dad. Why is Sun not coming? Sun should have been in school. Fine then. I'm going to do some gardening if he's not here. There, I'll splash with the water. Part 2.